Mastering, fairly, an adverb of degree in English. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we are going to explore a very useful adverb of degree, fairly. It's an adverb that we often use to modify adjectives and other adverbs. It can add depth to your language and make you sound more natural. So, let's dive in and understand more about fairly. Fairly is an adverb of degree. Adverbs of degree are used to provide additional information about the intensity, degree, or manner of an action. Fairly is used to mean to a moderate degree or quite. It is generally used in positive contexts, unlike pretty, which can be used in both positive and negative contexts. Here's an example. She was fairly sure that the test was tomorrow. One of the key usages of fairly is to moderate the intensity of adjectives or adverbs. It is often used with positive adjectives or adverbs to give a sense of a satisfactory but not extreme degree. Consider these examples. 1. The book was fairly interesting. 2. The cake is fairly delicious. Note that fairly comes before the adjective or adverb it is modifying. It's also important to understand common mistakes associated with using fairly. One key mistake is using fairly with extreme adjectives, such as excellent or awful. Extreme adjectives signify the highest degree or lowest degree of something and hence cannot be moderated. Incorrect. The movie was fairly excellent. Correct. The movie was excellent. So there you have it. We hope this video has given you a fairly good understanding of how to use the adverb fairly. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use fairly in your conversations and writings. Keep learning, keep growing, and until next time, happy English learning.